Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be doing a camp out with my mate. So we're going to be going down those woodlands over there, right deep down. It's going to be fun. A storm's supposed to roll in later this evening tonight, and yeah, we're going to see how that affects us. But we're going to get a tarpaulin up, then put 2 tents underneath, and yeah, we're just going to see how it goes. But I'm looking forward to it. Got my food, got all the stuff we need. Pretty excited. Let's do it.
Oi!
Petrol station the other side, saying High Street. We've got 5 minutes on.
We're setting off now, boys. 20 kilograms on my back, gonna jump into a bunch of stinging nettles.
Move over, come on.
Right, boys.
That's filming me, innit? Oh, I just stepped on a load of shit.
Oh, yeah. I don't want to get stung.
You're alright, mate, just go.
Can't tell it.
Oh, like a fucking idiot.
Come on, lad.
It looks like he's getting sponsored by that beer company.
It does, doesn't it? There we go. I stacked it and all.
I tried.
Virgin, so I don't have. What are you doing? Someone told me that was a snake in the
Go for this little gap in the fence.
Mate, there's a bush there.
Oh yeah, really? I ain't gonna fit for that. Here we go. Bang! Fuck. Got through, boys.
Hold on, I'm caught in a bush.
Come on, lad.
Jesus.
Right, over here we go. Straight over those woods, boys.
Yum yums and some.
Off you trot. Should we go fishing? Probably is, mate, some tadpoles. Have it.
So we're going to camp, boys.
Right, I'm already hungry.
Boys and girls.
And girls.
2025, you know.
It's no shut my head.
The python needs to be nourished.
Hey guys. There's a car over there. Like,
What are they doing?
they might be
Bugging.
Oh, good.
It's going to be excited, isn't it?
It's 30 minutes past 9 already. Lads are just finishing setting up. Done mine. I put this little tarpaulin on top as well, because this isn't the most waterproof tent ever designed, so I thought to put a tarpaulin on top of it as well.
Oh, it's up here, isn't it?
But yeah, it's taken us a lot longer because the landowner came and was talking to us. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. Nice little setup. Yeah, in a bit, guys. On den for the night. Oh, that's pretty sweet. Isn't it?
What about a bit of fun with them in there?
You've done it all yourself. Trying to lose the ammo.
It's looking very vulnerable.
Very vulnerable. Oh, right, we should just cook some scran up, I reckon. Alright lads, so we're gonna have cook some food up now. Got some mince, so yeah, let's get to it. change it, repeat.
It's pretty much done, isn't it? Nah, but it's
Got some rolls to go with this as well, so some nice fresh rolls.
But actually, hold on. Don't. Oh, mate, what's going on? We made it work.
we don't care.
We made it work. Hello.
Koteo.
Film this.
Film this. What's he doing?
Dinner served.
Dinner tonight.
Bread roll
The bevo.
with mince. Do you want that before it gets cold?
Yeah, go on then.
Go on then, have it.
Oh, let me.
Let's try this.
Oh, let me have a sip.
Bread roll.
That's way better than that. Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? Look at that.
Respect for it.
We're live, boys.
Oh, this is going to be well comfy.
That should be alright. Oh, hold on.
Oh, is it? No, oil
Yeah, it is oil, isn't it? Mate, this guy has no clue what he's talking about.
Raining. Destroying it.
You look at yourself. Other pyramids in Mexico and other ones in China. All of them are the same distance away from each other.
Mate, don't use your glove hand. What have you been touching with that? A dead rabbit.
You touched a dead rabbit.
And now you're touching your
Heat
sausages.
burns bacteria, boys.
Are they hot? Are the sausages hot? As long as they're fucking...
They're burned.
Oh. And you see that. Oh, I'm pretty sure you're supposed to make it crusty.
What do we have here, gentlemen?
He's a bit weird though, isn't he? Fire starting there.
Buddy boy is tired. Say cheese.
Right, mate. Get the camera ready.
You missed. What was that?
Wait, why are you shutting it? Well, no, what does it look like?
You started doing something you're not supposed to be doing. In the tent now, getting ready to just settle in for the night. It's been pretty active, pretty busy. Had our food, chilled out for a bit, had a nice little brew around the fire. But yeah, it's actually pretty hot in here, to be fair. Like, it's supposed to rain a bit later, but I don't know if it's gonna rain that much. But pretty tired now, so yeah, I'll probably head into bed tonight for the night. So anyway, guys, I'll see you in the morning. I just woken up with it raining quite hard. I'm kind of worried, like, because if it like hammers it down, these tents are not waterproof at all, like that waterproof. Honestly. Oh, that's nice. Oh, this tent is not waterproof at all. Right, look at this. Oh, it's getting wet on the floor. The bag, all packed up, ready to go. So, yeah, it's just getting wetter, guys, and wetter. Let's have a little look.
Oh my god! You not just feel that?
You alright, mate?
Keep looking. Oh my god! Did you feel that?
Yeah, I think I fucking did, mate. As he's fucking shoving the whole tent.
Is it Louis?
Who else is gonna fucking be the fucking
A
man?
fox!
Yeah, because the fox has got two hands to push the tent.
I heard him laugh. See
Oh, mate.
leave it open, yeah.
Fucking leave over.
Oh, I'm gonna head back to the car.
What, already?
Yeah, my tent's soaking.
Oh, come in here then.
Pouring, and we're gonna have to put the tents down.
No, wait out.
Look at that.
Sound like Bear Grylls, man.
It's the whole bloody point. Oh, it's proper raining, guys. We're gonna have to just pack up. It's 5 o'clock right now in the morning. But yeah, like the tents are getting soaked. They're not the best tents, so understandably. And yeah, look at this. It's looking pretty nice. I'm obviously packed away now. Head off.
Yeah.
No rubbish left. Time to get wet trousers. There we go.
It is.
That's our camp done. Made it back to the cars. Let's get back home, back to the warmth and the not so wet. And now I'm saying goodbye. Bye, Taylor, mate.
Peace out.
Please subscribe, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.